Hello, this is me. It's Waleed Musa, and today it's Friday 7th October. I want to explain assignment one, and we'll start from the first part. This one, define the class line with the properties coordinates of 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2, and methods displaying the line equation in the console constantly and determination of points of intersection with the coordinate axis. And for this one, what we will do, we will create a line class that stores 2 points x1 and xy, yx, and x2 and y2, y1, x1 and y1, x2, y2. It can show the lines equation like y equals 2x plus 1 or x equals 3, and you will find where it crosses the x axis and y axis. We will start to type these codes. Then I will define the display equation. So for the then after I pull this code, um, this define display equation cell, and this one defined interactive self, and this is one vertical line, and this is one is horizontal line. This cells selected line, and here test the line x10, x2, x2, 3, 0. I can change any numbers. I maybe 5, maybe the premier here 1. It's doesn't matter. Print equation, line display equation, print enter is line find then you will running this description, and you will get solution line equation y minus 0 0.444 x 5.0. This one here 0 5 0 11 12 25 0. If I change these numbers, it will change the solution again 0 0 minus 350, and this is all parts one. Then after I finish from the part one, I will do it this part two. The part two change the plus line as follows. A plus is properties coordinates two of 2 points x1 and xy x1 y1 and x2 y2 must be unique and set inside a new method that defines the line b a three static uh, properties. The number of lines uh, parallel to the coordinate axis and lines passing through the origin point check should be read out in the property methods. Then we will start typing out, and you will see here I already write this code, and here I will give the example or explain what right here. We will load this line classes so that the 2 points parents sit in the constructor, but separate method called uh, defense line. The classes contest how many lines are one propeller to the x axis, horizontal propeller to the y axis, vertical, and pass through the original 0 0. Then here I type propeller to x equals 0, propeller to y 0, original is 0. Then here it's horizontal line y1 equals y2, and vertical line x1 equals x2, and here line passing through 0 0. Defined in itself, they no coordinates yet. They will be set later. Here defined line y x y1 x2 y2 redefinishing. First remove old line from, and here set the new coordinates from here, upload coordinates 1, and this one define the uploaded coordinates self change. This helping helper upload the static coordinates by 1 plus add or minus 1 remove. Then define passes through original self. This should be check of row x1 y1 and x2 y2 passes through 0 0 0 0. And here this test code and create and this here if name is name this all this is the test codes. I create 3 lines, and this one defined line, it's horizontal propeller to x axis, and line to its vertical propeller to y axis, and third line passes through original y equals minus 6. We will running the script, and you will see line propeller to x axis 1, and lines propeller to y axis, and all this is correct, and it's all in the part 2. And the third part, change the classes line as follows: all static properties of classes should be changed only inside class methods. Select one or more sub methods if it has not been done before, and ring them as static methods. Then we'll start explaining it. This first one I explained already. Proper to y, zero, original. Define this one, and here it's defined line. Right, here is not. Yeah, this remove old line from contrast. Or if redefine redefining here, set new points and add here add new line to crosses only change sides classes myth. Then here upload it static contrast online from on-site the class. This one defined past original is static methods check if line for x1 y1 x2 y2 passes the retain x1 in y2. Then we will see that in the script. Yes, I changed these numbers. It's 0 0 1 0 1. Let me change it to reset this old one. Let me show you. I restart these numbers or delete the previous numbers and put this number to show it all this line in the one. Double line to axis x1 and y to 1, and this also 1 in the third part. And here the part number 4 change the line class. They add construct with the message indicating that the object has been created, to add an initializer that will set the initial values of the object, and add extract with the message that the object has been deleted. First one here, I add 3 special methods to the line classes. Constructor line prints line object has been created when a new line is met. An initializer sets the lines 2 points right when the object is created, and destroyed delete parts line object has been deleted when the line is removed from memory. Then we'll see here constructor line restriction message print line object has been created. Initializer set initializer values. And this here is right message, and you will see here this is just called print line. Use it. This one print equation line display equation delete line. Then we'll run and see line object has been created. Equation y equals 1.0x plus 1.0 line object has been deleted, and is all in the fourth part. Here part number 5, modify the previously created class line as false. One set one of the class dynamic properties to the protected axis modifier and set the reset if any to the provided axis modifier, and we add the property getter and stater methods. Then here I will make the line classes more six uh, score by marking one coordinate as protected x1. It is internal, but okay to use carefully in making marking the other b as provide y1 x2 y2. They are ending and can't be changed directly from outside. Then I will add guitar and stator methods so I can safely read or upload any value. And this is all like reading looks on data, and I can still access it, but only through the right dance methods. And this first one I already put it, uh, and here it's guitars. It's guitars. Good. And here it's stairs. It's stairs. And after that, see test code and update x1 using setter, and you'll see this line object has been created using creators x10 y12 x24 y20 after setting x1 to 1 y minus 0. Like line object has been deleted, and this is I can also change these numbers and get other numbers here if I need, but it's already is correct also, and this is all.